What is a cinnamon roll? A cinnamon roll is a sweet-baked dough filled with a cinnamon sugar filling. Made with a rich dough leavened with yeast, their characteristic form is due to rolling a dough sheet containing sweetened cinnamon filling. Common toppings for cinnamon rolls include cream cheese frosting or a sugar glaze. Other toppings include pecans, peanuts, caramel, chocolate nut spread, or chocolate sauce. Where do cinnamon rolls come from? Sweet rolls have been produced since ancient times. However, the arrival of cinnamon spice to Europe resulted in the creation of this unique sweet treat. The cinnamon rolls we know today are thought to have originated in Sweden. There, they are called cannelball and are celebrated on October 4th as a national holiday. In the US, cinnamon rolls' popularity began in the southern states and later expanded throughout the whole nation. Ingredients. Commonly used ingredients in the production of cinnamon rolls include flour 100%, sugar 15%, fat 12%, milk 2%, salt 1.5%, yeast 8%, cinnamon, subject to bakery preference, eggs 10%, water 54%. Commercial production. Cinnamon rolls are commercially produced through the following process: scaling and weighing ingredients separately, mixing fat, sugar, milk, and flavoring thoroughly, followed by flour and yeast addition to form a smooth dough. Dough bulk fermentation for 30 minutes. Punching to deflate the dough. Sheeting by rolling the dough into a sheet and further depositing the cinnamon sugar mix on the surface and spreading it. Rolling the dough sheet using mechanical rolls and cutting in suitable portion size pieces. Final proofing and fermenting the rolls. Rich doughs are slightly underproofed for 30 to 45 minutes at 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Baking cinnamon rolls for 12–15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius. Cooling down the rolls to room temperature. Packaging, storage, then distribution. Proper packaging material must be obtained for frozen storage and distribution to enhance the cinnamon roll's eating quality over storage life. Tips for making the best cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls should be produced considering the following factors: yeast activation, milk or water, temperature should not exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. Yeast type. For rich doughs, osmophilic yeast is the most appropriate strain due to its capacity to grow in high sugar environments. Fermentation time. Rich dough is slightly under-fermented, up to 40 minutes. However, when working with non-osmophilic yeast, fermentation time may increase 2 to 3 times. Lower baking temperature. Cinnamon rolls should be baked at low temperatures of 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 to 205 degrees Celsius to control browning due to the presence of milk, sugar, and fat. Proofing time. Rich doughs are slightly underproofed, 30 to 45 minutes, due to their weaker gluten network. Want to learn more about cinnamon roll production? Visit BAKERpedia. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.